You've heard that expression, where your attention goes, energy flows. You can take that expression, and if you incorporate it into the 24 hours of day that are in your life, and you really focus on something with your attention that you desire, it will manifest. It will manifest. You will become that person. You have to be obsessed by it. You have to want it more than that other you, that other thing that's keeping you from living the better version. In other words, you've got to turn your thought away from the old. Forget the past. Just forget about it and rebuild your consciousness with the things that you desire. Become the person that you choose to be. That's why you might need a coach or a teacher. That's why you might want to take the Silva Ultramind training. It's millions of people have learned how to reprogram their subconscious mind using those techniques that Jose Silva came up with. They are very, very powerful. You are powerful and your mind is powerful, but you need to know how to focus it, how to direct it on what you desire and move it away from what you don't desire. Give yourself a mental house cleaning and become the best version of yourself that you want to be at this moment in time. You don't have to be dragging around all that negative garbage that has been holding you down. You can clear it out and become a better you. Go to my website, RebeccaTripp.com. I'll be happy to coach you. I've got courses. I'm giving the seminar in September, and there's all kinds of ways that you can move yourself to a better, higher version of yourself so that you can experience life. Even in these crazy times, it's an opportunity to reinvent yourself. So check it out.